And overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We're now at Genesis chapter 23, verse 16 up to 20. Abraham accepted Ephron's offer and paid him 400 pieces of silver in front of everyone at the city gate. That's how Abraham got Ephron's property east of Hebron, which included the fields with all of its trees as well as Machpelah Cave at the end of the field. So Abraham buried his wife Sarah in Machpelah Cave that was in the field. In and he had bought from the Hittites. So in this passage, the deal was closed and Abraham was able to buy the field together with the cave to Ephron, the Hittites, and that's what happened. So Sarah, his wife, was buried there at the Machpelah cave, and even to this day, that place belongs to Abraham's descendants as a burial place, especially the descendants of uh, Abraham during their time, and Abraham bought it for 400 pieces of silver. So it happened that way.